My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Stella Okwawe don come out to come assure her elder sister wey be Sandra Okwawe say her battles na her own battle and they will always be. Also, Chichi don come out to come throw serious shade at Phyna and she don delete the tweet immediately. So sometime yesterday, Flavour bury papa, may God rest his soul. They say na celebration of life because actually the man actually advanced and the celebration, everything went fine. But the thing wey be say bring controversy to that particular event na the fact say Bella sister wey be Sandra come out to come claim Flavour as her husband. The main reason why we say that the verse say she come and come claim the guy na the fact say the guy actually never acknowledge her publicly for once. The truth be say a woman wey be say come out to say my father-in-law and she wear wedding ring, I don't know why people they see the thing as a big deal. You no go fit entirely blame people dragging her because her husband, so-called husband, he don't refuse to flaunt her even after paying her bride price and marrying her in secret. Person maybe say get 2 children together, happy to show off your wife, but you dey see people wey be say they drag her, they insult her every day, but you just keep quiet like say she no matter. That type of attitude they do me one kind for body. So a particular video surface online where we say Flavour they talk to say some years back in they talk about how you no wan marry, blah blah blah. So Bella, where we say be Sandra sister, come out for her IG story to come drop a particular note for her sister. Before I drop the note where we say Bella drop for her sister, may I play the video of wetin Flavour talk few years ago.
You have to be that person for yourself first. And then when you're done with yourself, you now start looking for. You understand? So I'm not in that mental space right now. If I tell myself I'm looking for a wife now, I will fail. Any girl that is gonna come my way, I will disappoint her. My character will deal with her. It will not work out.
You think it's fair to the women?
It's not fair. That's why I try as much as possible to remain this way. It's not, you know. The worst thing you can do is to treat a woman bad, knowing fully well I cannot, because I looked at the whole thing. I tell myself, oh boy, sometimes I see beautiful people online with all their, you know, and I see the love they try to show each other. I see how the man tried to be for his wife.
So when I don't see the video where we say surface for an interview where we say Flavour do years back, I don't know why this video they circulate. It doesn't change anything, not change the fact say actually you don't marry the gate. Now the only thing where we say you need to do now where we say they insult her up and down and to come out to come say this woman is my wife, make una stay clear. Bella can't come out, can't respond with all the boo-ha-ha and the dragging, bobo tibo where we say they go on for that burial. She can't come out, put her sister picture for her IG story, can't say my love, my best friend, my gist partner, my gossip partner, one who literally knows everything about me. I will move mountains for you. Your battles are my battles and will always be. I love you so much, my sister. Just be say Sandra not the joke with Bella, and Bella on the other hand, she not the joke with Sandra. When it comes to Bella and Sandra relationship, now one relationship between siblings where we say admire a lot. Yes, when it comes to celebrity, because Bella, that time when we say she talk about her story when they did for inside level up season, you go realize also from the way Bella talks about Sandra, you go notice say Sandra don't make a lot of sacrifices for them as a family. If for once Bella they come out to come back her sister up, now something where we say we suppose admire and not drag. As she drop this statement, people come dey ask her say which battle you they always fight wey be say we no wan hear. And that one person here comes to say who are they always fighting? Couple laughing emoji. Very insecure family. So Bella praising her sister now mean to say the family they insecure. Some people they just get this hater spirit inside them. They not fit just change. So now they insult her sister, make she just lay back or make she follow now they insult her. No, now she go try to make her sister feel a little bit better. Not that Sandra even sent truths, because since we don't know Sandra, since that time she did that soup, she not even talk. And that one say Flavour for once acknowledge your wife. Haba, not be my business. She can put 3 love emoji. Don't talk man. Any man maybe say if you be my husband or boyfriend or anything, maybe say you won't be, you you no acknowledge me for public, me I no go ever acknowledge you for public. Whether if you like me you be Obasanjo, I no go acknowledge you too. So onto Phyna matter. Phyna, she do a new photo shoot. Obviously she wear wedding gown. As we all know, Phyna 26th birthday, the last birthday she did before this new birthday, obviously she do so, she actually wear wedding gown for that particular video. So this one again, this year she can't wear wedding gown again. As in, I don't know whether this one na to seal the birthday off, or she just wear am randomly to take snap picture. So Chichi can't see the picture, can't come out to come throw shades at the girl unprovoked. This one na Chichi find trouble for this particular scenario. So this na the picture where we say Phyna drop. This na the fine beautiful clothes na wedding gown. As you can see the veil and everything. Now Chichi come for Twitter come write come say some people will wear wedding gown all through 2024. Make them no see husband, they know themselves. She talk and finish, she can't delete the tweet, but before she delete am, you know na bloggers already capture am. Chichi, this attitude of you always using Phyna to chase clout, now they pay me for where you did. Using husband to mock another woman, whereas you yourself, you never marry. So I don't know the one where we say you dey talk about. Chichi don't marry where we say we don't know about. And they even hear one kind of rumor say Chichi and they do one thing. And Soma, they do one thing. I hope say not be true, because if not true, not go funny. Chichi and Soma, they're not supposed, that's that kind of news not supposed even surface in the first place. I'm not saying that two of them are not adult, but I not believe say Soma go fit behave like that. But now just rumor for now. We never confirm the fact. Now allegedly, now we see they talk about for those two of them matter. You see some reaction after Chichi actually come out to come shade Phyna, come use fear, delete the tweet immediately. First person here say, so now so Phyna go dey her lane, people where we don't forget go wan use her trend, come put laughing emoji. Another one come say, no one heard of Chichi without Phyna. Boom, Phyna don't resurrect some people career again. Another one say, if Phyna reply her now, she will start to form victim. It's been how many years Chichi and Phyna they still dey fight. Chichi, if Phyna dey avoid you, why not avoid her too? The girl go dey her own, you go just go find her trouble. If she wan wear wedding gown every day of her life, wetin concern you now? Another one say, if Phyna replies her now, everyone will be on her case. They should settle their differences, Jerry, and move past whatever happened in the past. Sister, thank you. Another one say, Chichi allow Phyna breathe. Phyna dey chill now. You don't carry trouble go meet her for her chilling spot. You sef, you never marry o. Pot calling kettle black. I'm not talking attention na if Chichi dey fine, because as she don't talk this thing, so definitely Phyna go respond, because that one not dey sabi hear something may just ignore some people. No, she must respond to everything. So definitely she must answer this Chichi for this thing wey Chichi talk. So another one come say, I wonder if not for Phyna, how will Chichi trend? Next one say, this one just dey look for any means to trend. The last person say, this girl is your shesh. Oh, but if the other girl reply now, then go talk say na her own too much. Some people dey cause trouble. Anything wey be say Phyna reply Chichi go need to manage am, because after all na she start the gbas gbos. Take care, una bye.